It was very interesting what you say in a press conference, but really you think that you can arrive last in the first year in Formula E?
Yeah, you never know. I mean, also in DTM, I said I don't want to finish last in my first season. But obviously, Formula E is a kind of different animal. I've never raced in a Formula car, or like 20 years ago I did, but recently I didn't. So I just didn't want to finish last, and now it doesn't look too bad.
So you can say that you are satisfied with this season?
So far I'm satisfied, yes. Even though it was going up and down a lot and we could have had better results in lots of races, but everybody could see that, could say that. So yeah, I'm decent happy. I think we're still missing that one victory, which I would like to have, but we still have 4 races, and obviously Berlin I know very well, so maybe it comes in Berlin.
A little sad because this year finished without Audi in Formula E.
Yeah, definitely. Obviously, I would like to have continued with the Audi in sport in Formula E for 1 more year or longer, but it's not up to me. So I'm happy that I can race whatever series, and now unfortunately it's just 1 year in Formula E. But yeah, I'm still happy to have get that experience.
But without Audi, you can follow in Formula E or not?
Sorry?
Without Audi,
Yeah.
you can continue in Formula E with other team or not?
Not sure yet. Let's see. I don't know what I'm going to do next year. I have different opportunities, but it's not yet confirmed or decided which way I go.
What you can say about the circuit? This is the first time for Formula E with half indoor, half outdoor. What you can say?
Yeah, the indoor is very cool, interesting, has a lot of grip. Then you come outdoor, it's still very dusty, and obviously it's difficult to overtake. Yeah, it's a bit too tight in some places, but it's a big challenge. It's the same for everybody, especially when it rains tomorrow. It's going to be very, very tricky.
And first corner can be a very big problem.
I think first corner is still okay. I think there's a runoff. First corner is not too tight. There are other corners like turn 4 and 5 which are a bit more tight, but turn 1 should be okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.